going on, sports card collectors? It has been a long time. It is Sunday, August 31st. It is going on, let's see what time, 9:30 my time. And we're going to open up a box of SP Authentic 2425. I was going to do a box battle. I actually have 2324 SP Authentic, but I think I'll just save that box for another video. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Still watching videos online. Life has been busy. Life is short. Just had a coworker that had decided to take their own life this past week, and so this summer's been a long summer. So I guess I'm going to do a plug that if you need to take care of yourself and you need some help, don't be afraid to reach out for help. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into this, watching all the videos. I've been buying a little bit of cards, not a lot, mostly hockey. And so therefore, here we are with the Authentic. These have been out there for a while, so obviously it's not release day. I still have a 2425 Upper Deck Series 2 that I bought on release day and never opened it, so that's sitting there. I've got some football boxes to open, so we're going to go ahead and get into this. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. We are going to try to do at least a video once a week, hopefully. Got a full-time job. Can't do it every day. Maybe if we get our subscriptions up, maybe we can cut back on the full-time job and then do this more often. But otherwise, I'm just going to have fun doing it anyways. So we are looking at 9 cards per pack. We've got 10 packs. We're going to look for one iconic autograph Future Watch rookie card and see if we can get some bonus. Move this over here. And move these over here. Let's get at it. Again, I'll sleeve these up at the end. Unless I hit a big one, then we'll put it on a sleeve. We'll take a pause. So, Clayton Keller. Shesterkin, Panarin, Austin Matthews, Mitch Marner, collaborations, Michael Granlund, Ryan Nugent, Dylan Larkin, we got a pageantry, Josh Norris, and we got a limited John Carlson. Okay, that's the first one. Nick Schmaltz, Jonathan Marshall, Sebastian Aho. Here's our first Future Watch out of $3.99. Olin Zellweger, pull from the back. Willem Nylander, Travis Konecny, maybe. Connor Geeky, Future Watch. Freshman Focus, Akil Thomas. And we got a pageantry, Matt Tkachuk on the red. All right. Let's go pack number 3. Let's stay on the right side. Heiskanen, Schneider, Nick Suzuki, Samuel Ersson, Trevor Moore, Protas. We got a green Adam Klapka of the Flames out of $1.99. That's cool. And focus on James Meltesta. And then we got a limited Alex DeBrincat. It's funny, I just watched a video. Somebody said they hadn't gotten any green yet on the boxes they opened. All right. Sam Reinhart, Cole Sillinger, Austin Matthews, Cole Caulfield, Brazel, Jason Ryerson. Jeez, yawning. That's not good. And we got the Jake Neighbors Spectrum FX. And then we got the Philip Forsberg Maximum Performance, and Future Watch on Nikita Prishkapov. Last pack for the right side of the box. Still looking for an autograph. Let's see what we get here. Kirill Kaprizov, Patrick Kane, Jack Quinn, Andrei Vasilevsky, Thatcher Demko, Marc-Andre Fleury, limited Kyle Connor. We got Jack Quinn. All right, there's a signature. So, few focus, freshman focus, Cutter Gauthier. And curated signatures. Goalie. We got. What do we got? Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, Buffalo Sabres out of $2.99. I think we will pause just for a second. Let me see if I can get. I will at least get that penny sleeved up. I don't normally, but let's get that protected. All right, set that off to the side. So no Future Watch. Autograph Future Watch rookie per box. So there's a rookie curated signature. So maybe we can get our second one. We'll get that Future Watch one. We can land a Macklin Celebrini or Hudson or Michkov. Let's see what we get. Cole Perfetti, Seth Jarvis, Quinn Hughes, Cale Makar, William Eklund, Shane Wright, Future Watch, Cameron Butler, the Blue Jackets, and oh, there's a Future Watch. There's our auto right there. Kochetkov, Future Watch, goaltender of Carolina Hurricanes out of $6.99, and Kyle McLean. So while I'm here, it's funny, both my autographs are goalies, and I was going to talk about that, and so I've been changing my focus to goalies. So I have some non-goalies that I'm going to have to sell, graded cards, so that I can get some goalies. But Wallstat, I just got, I can't think of the other one that I just got too. But we will, it's funny because I have his Young Gun graded 10. So, yeah. Not too bad. 2 goalies. Goalies are where the money is, especially if they make it. Maybe we can get a third bonus one here. So let's keep going. Logan Cooley, Josh Norris, Lafreniere, Jack Eichel, Travis Sanheim, Tage Thompson. Oh, we just get a third auto. Caught me off guard. UDA Authentics, Andre Burakovsky. Wow, just got a third auto. Not a Macklin Celebrini, not who we're looking for, but we will take a third auto. 3 packs left. Purchased this box, I think 147 was the price, was it? From David Adams. Brady Tkachuk. Future Watch, Drew Commesso. Actually, that's who I just purchased at PSA 10. And we got Maximum Performance, Connor McDavid. And then Pageantry of Roman Josi. Oh, not too bad. And we got 2 packs left. Roman Josi again. Ovechkin. Kevin Korchinski. Kevin Hayes. Barkov. Jack Hughes. Trevor Zegras Limited. Pageantry Timo Solani, and another green freshman focus, Declan Carlisle. Okay, last pack. Jacob Pelletier, there's a Connor Bedard, Swayman, freshman focus, Gavin Brindley, we got Kirill Marchenko, Pete Mrazek, Kent Johnson, Future Watch, Nolan Allen of the Blackhawks, and our pageantry of Alex Ovechkin. So there we have it. We got 3 autographs in our box. Andre Burakovsky of the UD Authentics. We got our Future Watch of, I'm going to kill it, Kochetkov, the Hurricanes, and then with Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen. Ukko-Pekka, I probably killed it. Anyways, curated signatures out of $2.99. And that's our 3rd one there. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification so you can get alerted on the next one. And as always, I appreciate you taking time to watch, and have a great night.